Hello and welcome to Dad Got Parks. Today we are going to go check out Jock Lindsey's Holiday Hangar Bar. Nope, that's not what it is. This is the Halloween Hangar Bar. Holidays for Christmas. Let's go. Located in Disney Springs, this Indiana Jones themed bar is amazing. But it's not just a bar, it's a bar and restaurant. They have some really good food. Twice a year they retheme it, once for Halloween and once for Christmas. This is the Halloween version. I absolutely love this place since I'm a huge Indiana Jones fan. There are so many cool little Easter eggs in here for Indiana Jones, the map, the relics are no longer accepted for payment, all kinds of cool stuff. If you look on the walls, you can get lost. But we were here to eat the specific Halloween fare. So let's see what we got. The first thing we ordered was the Snake Egg Surprise. It is simply lemonade lime juice, desert pear syrup, and green apple boba pearls. It is a super tasty and refreshing drink, no alcohol, about $7. Next to arrive was the Skull of the Dead, mojo pork, cheddar flour tortilla, and pickled pico de gallo. The syringe is supposed to have a hot sauce in it, but honestly, it was not hot. Those are $16. And so tasty, I forgot to film it. These little guys are the Phantom Dumplings, chicken and pork dumplings wrapped in rice paper, served with a teriyaki dipping sauce for $14. And they're just fantastic. A little bit hard to get in one bite, but they are amazing. Even the kiddo enjoyed them. She had a hard time eating it, but she did enjoy it. And these were the zombie eye bites. It's supposed to be deviled eggs with crispy fried chicken and black olives, but something about them did not work. I would skip those and get these cursed mummy sausages instead. You enjoying this video? Well, there's a few simple things you can do to help me out. 1, you could subscribe if you're not already. 2, you could give the video a like and hit that bell. All right? Okay. Excuse me. That's awesome. Okay. That's cool.
Thank you.
Oh my god, look, they have little eyes on them. Aside from being adorable, these smoked sausages wrapped in puff pastry served with a pomegranate mustard sauce were actually really tasty. The kiddo's not much of a hot dog fan, and she did enjoy them. I really liked that pomegranate mustard sauce. It had a nice little kick to it. I might have to recreate something like that. It was pretty nice. I hope you guys had fun. The food was great. The ambiance is so cool. If you get a chance, you got to check this out at Disney Springs. It is so worth it. Dad may go check out themed bars that are not really bars for us because we're just getting food at Disney Springs. But one thing Dad will never do.
Dad's on outros. That's it. Bye.
Perfect. I want to say thank you to all my members. You guys are the best, and I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.